Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for James in Iowa on the Ranger RCI 99N2 Truckerized Edition. James, you know what that means? That means you've got the voltage regulator upgrade, the tuning alignment. It's going to give you full bird swing and PEP power, as well as the electrolytic cap upgrades, wideband transmit and receive upgrades, as well as an extra static 636 mic and tune-up video. This thing's ready to go. Let's start with RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Get you right around 4 watts all the way down in case you decide to run an amp. You have full adjustability. 40 all the way up, which is a very safe number. Show you average power swing. Hello. We bounced that off the scale. Let's go to the 250 watt slug. An average. Hello. About 110 bird average. Go to PEP. Hello, 1, 2, hello, audio. 250 watts. Let's check this thing out on sideband, see what it's doing there. Hello, audio. 1, 2, audio. So around 225, 230. Alright, James, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. You've been truckerized from truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.